Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ITEL S24 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now all we have to do is to tap and hold the spacebar. So let's do it. Tap and hold it. And as you can see here, we've got the language settings. So let's enter. So here we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose, so simply find yours and then tap on this plus icon. As you can see here, we've got the information, what we have to do to change the languages. So alright, we've got it. Let me go back. And after getting back to the top of the list, you can see that we've got the new language added. So let's check how it works. As you can see, we've got the order applied, and after swiping on the spacebar, we've got the English. So to remove the language, simply tap on it and hold it, on the spacebar, and here you can enter language settings, and if you want to turn off the language, simply tap on it, so it will be it will not be marked, and from now on you will have only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.